Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Windows 10 using Microsoft Account Hardware ID step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open your Windows 10 settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. In the Settings menu, click on Update and Security. From the left sidebar, select Activation. Click on Go to the store to purchase a digital copy if you don't have one already. If you have a valid product key, click on Change Product Key and enter the key. Now, to associate your Microsoft account with your hardware ID, go back to the Activation menu. Click on Add an account and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, your hardware ID will be linked to your account. If you have previously upgraded from Windows 7 or 8, your license should already be tied to your Microsoft account. To confirm, visit the Microsoft account webpage and check your account's device list. Once confirmed, you can return to the activation settings in Windows 10. You should see a message indicating that Windows is activated with your Microsoft account. If activation does not occur automatically, you may need to restart your computer. After restarting, check the activation settings again to ensure your Windows 10 is activated. If problems persist, consider running the Windows Activation Troubleshooter. Access the troubleshooter by clicking on Troubleshoot in the activation settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to resolve any activation issues. After completing these steps, your Windows 10 should be activated using your Microsoft account hardware ID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.